Provenance, the record of how your software was built. Your tools log everything, every push, every scan, every alert, except one thing. None of them recorded who wrote it. Provenance sits above every tool you already own. GitHub, GitLab, Snyk, Datadog. It reads everything. It replaces nothing. And it answers what they can't. Who wrote it? Who reviewed it? What the evidence shows. It all comes down to one number, the Provenance Score. 44. Held back by 48 blind repos and AI code shipping without sign-off. Derived from your estate, never a questionnaire. Every repository placed by what it would cost you, payment critical, regulated, AI workloads. The red ones are burning closest to the core. AI code has two lives. It's written at build time, it behaves at runtime. When it misbehaves, Provenance carries the evidence back. Signal raised, decision recorded, evidence frozen. The behavior points back at the code that caused it. August 2nd, the EU AI Act's obligations land. Risk management, documentation, record-keeping, oversight. Provenance is the evidence, already frozen. Your scanners detect, your observability observes, Provenance decides. Provenance.diwo.ai